Hey everybody, Chris White from Pest Control Installation again for part 3 of our turnkey program. That's right. So now, by now the equipment has been, it's either en route being delivered, it's been ordered, it's on its way. Your rate card information has been put in and we have put it all together for you. So now we are going to let you take a look at that rate card, explain it to you, show you how it works, and make sure you're okay with everything that we've done and all the data we put in to develop that rate card. Now, in addition to that, we're also going to have you take a look at the homeowner contract. So I know you have contracts for your normal pest control business, but probably not for installation. So we've put that together for you. You can customize that any way you'd like. You can use it as is, however you want to do it. You can put that together for your use. In addition, we're going to need to put together some sort of work order, graph, so that you have something to go by on those jobs that you know what you're walking into. So we'll also be able to give you that. You can customize those as needed. Some just use the graph as is. There's really no alteration. I've seen other companies actually put it into their computer system and make it a little more manageable technologically. So those are some things that you can do there. The last thing we want to do, and this is something you probably have in place, but I think it's extremely important that we at least put it on paper, and that is the workflow. So what happens from the time the job gets sold? Who schedules it? Who makes sure there's all the material available? Who makes sure that everything is going to go the way it should, right down to the day of installation? So we want to have that workflow in. Where does the paperwork go? Where does the scheduling go? Who orders the material? All of that should be down. This is one of the areas where I've seen things stumble, where a rep may come in, sell the job, do everything they're supposed to, and then the job gets pushed out because there's no accountability anywhere of who needs to do what in order to get the material done. So then the job pushes out, and ultimately, if it goes too far, the customer may end up canceling the job. So this is one way to make sure that everything gets followed and gets done. After that, we have all of this information in, and we're going to double check it all. We're going to go over it on a phone call to make sure everything is there. Then all of this is going to get incorporated into our last step, which we'll go over next week. So have a great week this week. We'll see you again next week.